Hello, another unboxing slash review. Not really an unboxing, because it didn't come in a box. This is from Aosky. Another one's A-O-S-K-Y. Aosky. It's another toolkit from them. I have two of them already, and I like them very much. I use them all the time, actually, for various things, and other people have said they're really nice kits, and they like them. But this is another one here. This is the Aosky Professional Precision Screwdriver Set 60 in 1 with 56 bits, magnetic repair toolkit for iPhone, tablet, game console, and more. Blue. Now it's $16.99 on Amazon Prime shipping. It has the blue at the end of it because of the blue case. You can also get black, orange, or green cases. This one's a little bit different than the other ones from Aosky I've looked at. I like this one, actually. It's very nice. The case is really nice. Oh, let me back up a little bit here. This shipped in a padded envelope inside of another padded envelope. And also there was a clear film over top of this. I removed it just to make life a little bit easier. Here's the case. It's a very nice case. On the back it tells you the different bits that are inside. You can hang the case up if you want to. One nice thing here I noticed, it's a quality case. We have a metal hinge pin along the back, and we have a metal clasp as well, which really nice, I think. And it's, again, it's well made. But one of the really unique things about this kit here, the bits are a copper color, a reddish copper color. But the really interesting and unique thing I found out about this one is a little button here, and they pop up for you to make it easier to get to them. And you just take out what you want and put it back in, and you just lock it back in place. As you can see, there's a ton of bits in this kit here. I mean, pretty much for everything that you need here. And also there are the security Torx as well. They have the little hole in the center of them. They can be used for lots of things. Like last night I was changing the cover faceplate on my son's Xbox One controller because he had actually gotten it for Christmas, and we finally got around to doing it. But it used these kind of bits as well, the security bits. But this also includes, we have our handle, which is this is aluminum. It's actually very nice here, and the top can spin, so you can push down with force and spin it. And then it comes with this extension as well. The collet or chuck is it's a nice one, actually. It holds it in place very well, but it's hold on. This one's a tight fit to get the extension in it, I mean. But the bits as well, they go in like so, and you can just do that. But you don't have to do it that way. You can do it either way. You can slide them in. But it also comes with a flexible extension shaft for you, which you would put in here, and you can turn and you can put your bit in the end there. But then it also comes with this little piece down here, which is just another type of extension, basically, which is nice, I guess. I'm not sure exactly what you would call it. It's magnetic anyway. This piece is magnetic, as you can see. See, it clips in like so. So it's for when you want magnetic and when you don't want magnetic. You can use it either way. Multi-magnetic screwdriver is what they call it. This is a standard driver adapter, is what they call it, which I'm not sure why it came with it, but whatever. But it's magnetic. I mean, it is the big deal here, is the big difference here, and this isn't magnetic. It just holds it in. Or is it magnetic? I don't know. No, it's not magnetic. Yeah, this is just aluminum. So you don't have to, like things you don't want to use magnetic bits with, you don't have to, but then you know, there are times when you want to use them, so you would switch the end piece there. Oh, no, what am I thinking? Okay, I see. It is magnetic, again, but this is an adapter you can use for a drill or something like that, because it will not go in here, it won't go in here, etc. You can use it just with your regular screwdriver or drill, but you can use these, all the bits in here with it, which is actually really cool. The bits themselves are not magnetic. The shaft and extension rod are magnetic. So these are magnetic here. So let's open this up again. See, click, click. They all click right in for you. But then this one isn't actually. So whatever. Sorry about the confusion I had going there. I don't know what I was thinking actually. But yeah, this is an adapter, which is actually really cool and useful. I don't know what I was thinking when I was looking at it actually. Basically because I didn't think it would come with it. I've never seen an adapter like this for such small bits. Okay, put it that way. But Aosky kit. This is a really nice kit. My son saw this. He's like, "Oh wow, cool." It's really nice. But this goes back in here for storage. Wrong way. Let's try it that way. Okay. And then we have this into here, like so. And then there's the ridges on here that make sure all the bits stay in place. So you can, you know, toss it in your bag and whatever, and they don't come out. Which I think is really nice because, I don't know about you, but I've had bits, you know, fall out and just end up like everywhere. Which, you know, but this is cool. Check that out there. Anyway, these are all labeled, our sockets. We have tiny sockets here. This one here, I don't know what that one is actually. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. It says 2.0, but looks like a screwdriver head. I think that might be a mistake, because that would be that there. It says 2.5. Unless it actually, I don't think so. I don't know. But then they all are labeled as well, all along the fronts. We have standard, Phillips, lots of Phillips actually, all the way down to tiny standard, which I'm not sure why they, I don't know. Oh, okay, these are square, that's why. But very nice kit from Aosky, and for $16 or $17, it's very much worth it, I think, if you do any kind of you know, work with electronics, phones and stuff like that, even computers and whatever. And it's just nice to have. I mean, you can always find a use for these, trust me. I know I can. The box locks very securely, especially with the metal and the metal hinge pin again. On the back it tells you the different pieces that are in here, which, but that's it. Aosky Professional Precision Screwdriver Set, 60-in-1 with 56 bits, magnetic repair toolkit for iPhone, tablet, game console, and more. Blue color. Again, you can get it in black, orange, or green if you prefer. I kind of like the blue one. But that's it. Thanks.